aggressive right now. Please don't get me in trouble. Please don't do that.
I'm not going to fight you.
On the evening of September 7th, 2024, Saint Augustine Police responded to a disturbance call at Flagler College's Sebastian house. A woman screaming in the parking lot. Officers made contact, confirmed the female subject was not an enrolled student, and issued a formal trespass warning. 15 minutes later, she was still there. That decision changed everything.
Yeah, we're good.
What are you screaming for?
Nobody's screaming.
You definitely are screaming.
We're just having an argument. Like, a couple can have an argument, can they not?
Well,
A couple can have an argument, can they not? I'm sorry. It won't happen again.
you have your ID on you?
Take it away. No, we don't.
You don't have an ID on you?
No, sorry. No, we don't. Sorry.
You're a Flagler student, but she's not?
No, she's not.
Okay.
You are?
I am.
What's your name?
I don't have my ID on me, sorry.
I know, but what's your name? You know your name, right?
I know my name is...
What's your last name? I work for the school. I'm going to get it no matter what.
I know, it's just like, dude, like, this doesn't have to be a big deal. Like, if we're making an issue, like, I promise, like, we'll
You're
be
making
quiet.
it a big deal by being uncooperative, all right?
How am I being uncooperative?
You're not identifying yourselves.
So, the
You're
law...
in the school
So the law
screaming.
says that needs to be a...
Yes, you have to identify. You don't have to identify yourself to him, but me. I'm a police officer. You understand
Okay,
that?
You're being very aggressive right
Yeah,
now.
because you're making me annoying.
Okay, my name is...
You don't have an ID? What about you? Where's your
No,
ID?
she doesn't.
I do not have my ID,
Do
sir.
not speak for her.
I didn't speak for her.
I do not have my ID. The reason that I was screaming is because my grandma, who just recently passed away, right, gave me a cross
And we
that
lost
I've lost it. And
we
that's why I'm
can't-
freaking out
We
right
literally
now
cannot find
because
it.
I'm trying to
We've-
find it.
Literally been all over the place. We've been to our friend's apartment. We've been to all over my apartment
And
or
that's
my
the only
dorm
reason
up
I'm
there.
screaming. And
Literally
I promise there's
cannot
nothing
find
else.
it freaking
Was
anywhere.
that hard to tell us, though, when we first came up here, instead of being
It's
evasive?
just a very,
No,
like,
I
we're
promise
all, like,
there's
so
You go over there and talk to
stressed out
him.
and stuff.
You go talk to him.
Well, I don't want to. I'm sorry, but we're all just very, very stressed out
Listen.
right now. It was just like...
Can you just do it, baby?
Nope. You're going to go over there.
Please.
No, I'm so sorry, but I'm not.
Please,
We've
babe,
had a
before
lot of...
anything happens, please. Please.
Just come talk to me for a minute.
Just
Please.
be nice.
I
I'm
promise
sorry.
I will. I
She's not
promise
the
I
one that
love
didn't
you.
even have an issue. All right. You don't have anything that identifies you?
I do not. I left it in my friend's car. I promise.
Where do you live?
I live in Tampa.
Do you have a Florida ID?
I do. I promise. I'll give you my address right now.
All I need is your name, and we'll run it. We're on our way.
Do you need it right now? Sorry, my flashlight's on.
Yep. So
I'm not recording or anything. It's literally
don't
just
care.
my flashlight. Just need a light.
I am recording. Let's make sure. Yep.
No, I know
am
you are.
recording.
You're a cop. I hope you are.
Okay, and that's all that's going on. Why are you so dirty
Because, like,
and wet? Like, I know it was raining earlier.
no,
yeah?
I know. I just, like, I got very overwhelmed. And I just, like, I don't know. I couldn't find her. Had, like, this thing that was going on. So then I was just like, I don't know. So I was trying to find her, and then, like, I don't know, you know, like, everything was happening, and they're all, like, boys that was at that scenario that was going on, so they were just trying to, like, calm me down so
Where
far.
were you at?
I'm pretty sure it was Orange Street, 73.
Were you at, like, a party or something?
So-called party, but
Yeah.
like she was throwing up, like I know, like, but I was just freaking out because like I have like mental issues, you know, like that. But I just didn't want anything bad to
And
happen.
she's your girlfriend?
Yeah,
Y'all don't get violent with each other, do you?
no, not at all, sir. I promise. My dad's calling. Can I answer? Is that okay if I put it
Yep.
on speaker?
Yeah.
I don't want anything to happen.
What's going on?
Oh, because I was screaming because I lost Mama's chain.
You can't find it?
No, so then the cops got called and now they're here and like I just want to go home. just want to go home.
Well, stop fighting. Don't argue with them.
I'm trying to do my best.
Yeah, well, you know what? What did I tell you?
Yeah.
I can tell you. I said stop. I said stop. 2 hours ago I said stop.
Yeah, well, I've been trying to look for it, is what I'm trying to say, and that's what, like, was been, like, triggering me. I just don't want to.
That's
St.
a
John's
show.
2406.
That's a show.
24/6.
Alright, whatever.
Just relax.
Alright.
Okay?
Whose car is that?
That's hers. Or her mom's. Her family's.
What's your birthday?
I'm sorry that I was being a little bit.
Okay. Why is there a Flagler College student sticker on her car? She's not a student here.
I know she's not. It's because, so basically, her mom had surgery not very long ago. She had a bunch of surgeries on her legs, and so her mom can't drive. So she's driving her mom's car, and then I'm driving her car at the moment. That's like kind of a lot, and it doesn't make sense, but like I'm driving her car, that's why it has this.
So you put the sticker on?
I bought the $208, literally paid that fucking bullshit anyways. Paid that for the
Pop
parking
24/6,
sticker.
yeah.
It's not my car, but I did pay for that parking sticker. So is anything like happening?
Huh?
Did we do something, or like is there something that's wrong? I know we like made a lot of noise or whatever, but
Yeah.
I'm
Y'all are
sorry
obviously
about that.
involved in some kind of,
No,
I don't know, it looks like y'all are
literally
being...
we were just like arguing because I was like, oh my god, like you lost the necklace, and she was like, oh.
Just let me know when you're done and let me talk.
Okay, sorry.
Okay? It looks like y'all are involved in some kind of disturbance, like you may be even in a physical fight in y'all's conditions. I mean, you look like you've been through the ringer. I mean, you've got dirt all over you, you're soaking wet. Y'all are in a car that there's a lot of screaming coming out of. Somebody called in.
Definitely not the case, though, is
Okay.
what I'm saying.
We're just in, but we have to investigate it. But then when we show up and you're being
True.
completely uncooperative, we have to figure what's going out on. We have to
That
figure out
was
who
just
you
a
are.
lot of like background trauma.
I
was
know,
trying to
I just
tell
like,
him
I don't
about
know,
it.
I don't like, I don't know.
We had a lot of issues with cops.
Why don't you like cops?
So
Because,
basically, no, 1,000%.
I
We had a
don't
lot
know.
of issues with cops. Like cop Jenkins, if you know him at all, last year. Basically, she has a medical card, but like he didn't like believe her and all of that shit. And there was like a lot of stuff. She got kicked out of our school
I just
because
wanna
they
go
didn't
home.
believe her that, oh, you have a medical card and whatever. And like that was just a lot. Like there was so much stuff going on last year, so she just doesn't trust that. So when you came
So
up
like,
to
I
us,
don't
I
know,
was
I
a
thought you
little
were
bit
gonna
like,
be mean and like, I don't
we
know,
did. We
like,
both
I
thought you were gonna
gonna
be
like,
mean, but you've
be,
so
like,
far
aggressive
been very
and, like,
nice. But you've been
been
very
very,
nice.
like-
Even when I was very a little apprehensive about it, yes, you
I
were
don't know.
very nice even then.
I'm just very like, I don't know.
So I'm sorry about that. Neither of us,
just
like,
wanna go
we're not
home.
Tipper,
being.
are these two listed? The trespasses here?
Me. I'm just dropping her off. I'm
Alright,
just
I'll send
dropping
you-
her
I'll
off.
send
I
you
just
name
want to
and
go
back to you.
home.
No, yeah, she doesn't go to school here, but I do.
Okay.
I'm not staying here, I promise.
So if you guys are claiming that everything's fine, you guys are cool. The thing is, you can go back to your room, you're a student, but
Yeah.
there's no guests until the 11th.
No.
Okay, that's
Exactly, and I
definitely
get
true,
that.
I
I'll
get
go to
that.
my.
Can y'all
friend's
check her name?
apartment.
No, she's
Her name is.
like,
Apparently, she was kicked out of school last year and not supposed to be on the property.
Can I get the name again?
I didn't
Is her
know
first name?
she wasn't allowed on it, but she is staying with our friend Fiona. You can look
But
up
it's
her
off,
name as
like,
well. You can
campus
tell her.
on like different
You can
property
look
at the
up her name
landings.
at the landings. Yes, she does not live on campus, so she's staying with her. She's my girlfriend. Obviously, we're doing long distance. Obviously, I want to still see my
I live
girlfriend.
in Tampa, you know.
Even
like,
though she was kicked off, I still want to see my girlfriend. She's just staying at the landings on an air
so I'm
mattress
dropping
with
her
my
off
friend
right
Fiona.
now. But everything happened, and I lost
Yeah.
my grandmother's cross who
necklace.
just passed away. So like I
And we
just
were
like
just
freaked
both
out.
freaking out about that. We're both very dramatic people.
I mean, that's just girls too.
That's just girls on their period. If I had my phone, I would. I don't even have my wallet.
Did you get arrested?
She did. It was all. It was all.
But can
1,000%.
Can I completely just one-on-one explain it to you? I was just
If you wait.
I don't
As
know.
a cop, if you went onto a campus, she has a medical marijuana
No.
card. If you had,
Listen, I don't want to offend you, but I'm not going to debate that. I think that's a college rule that you're not allowed to have.
No, I'm gonna tell you right now. In our handbook, I looked for it. Me and my father both looked at it. No, me and my father both looked at
If it
it.
happened last year,
It says in our handbook. Allowed to
Please
have.
just go to get my
Who is
car
that?
keys.
Okay, I'm gonna go away.
She is fighting with her girlfriend in the parking lot,
No, not even about that.
causing a disturbance in the parking lot with her girlfriend.
Nobody. Who is fighting?
Nobody Stop it, please.
She
Please,
what?
can you bring my car keys? Please,
Can you
please,
bring
please,
the car
please,
keys,
please.
please?
You're on speaker,
They're not
please.
saying there's an active trespass warning on her. Is she supposed to be trespass?
No, no.
Yeah.
Like, I would have known that if I would have been here, obviously, because I got. Yes, exactly. And if I would have been known of trespassing, I would have gotten an email, if that makes sense.
like from,
All right.
I don't
From
know. I don't
the
know.
dean
I thought
of
this might have been the one that
students.
you had
Does
to
that make
tussle
sense?
with.
Not to come here. And I never got
Oh,
that.
it is?
So I'm just here dropping my girlfriend off, and I'm not staying here, and I'm just
She's
where's
not.
my
She's
girlfriend?
literally
And
going
I'm
to
just
the landings. I can give you the address of where
Alright.
she's staying. She
I
was
just
literally
want
just
to
planning
go
to drop me off.
It's okay. Everything's gonna
Yeah.
be fine.
It's not gonna be
No,
fun because
it's
he's on the
not,
phone with
because
somebody. Who
something
is he on
bad
the
is
phone
going
with?
to happen.
All right, listen. You're going to be trespassed from all of Flagler College property, meaning you cannot step foot back on Flagler College
Okay,
property.
that's fine.
Shh. Listen, I'm talking to her, not you anymore. All right, I'm done with this. All right,
Please, I'm listening to you, sir.
you cannot drive your car onto the property to drop her off. You cannot be on this property at all. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Any properties, not just this property, college, every Flagler College property, the ball fields, the
Yes,
the
sir, I
bookstore,
got you, I got you, I
everything
got you,
that
I
is
got you.
owned by Flagler College,
I
you
know
are not
all
allowed to
the
step foot on.
stupid parking lots that are this big, all.
Everywhere.
I got you. I got
None
you.
of them
I got
you're
you. I
allowed to be
pinky
on.
promise. I'll fucking pinky promise you. I don't care. Just please, just don't get me in trouble, please. I just don't.
I don't get people in trouble.
No, please. I trust you.
But you need to get your
seem
phone
nice.
and get off the property.
I mean,
Okay.
But
I
I don't
just
think you
need-
two are sober, so I don't think you need to be driving.
no. I'm
So
waiting for
Nope,
somebody.
you're not waiting. You're
to-
getting your phone and getting off the property immediately.
We'll walk away.
Okay.
Yep.
I just have a question.
Okay.
This is technically her mom's car.
It's not mine.
I paid the $280 for this parking pass right here. Can I keep this car on the property? Because I did pay for that.
And she's
Yeah.
on the insurance.
You
And I
can't
paid
be on the
her
property.
insurance.
I don't care about the car.
She can't.
So
Okay, yeah, I was just making sure.
Yep.
Can I just I don't know, can
We're
I
gonna
just,
get our
be,
shoes and we're gonna
thankful,
walk
You're
away.
so nice. I think you're the only nice police officer in
I'm
St.
not.
Augustine.
Every one of them is nice.
I
Joel
don't-
was nice too until you attacked him.
I never attacked him.
That's the fattest f***ing lie in the entire world. I am so
I
sorry.
mean,
but
once
I
he
was
told
there
me that it was
for
a
that
Baker
lie.
Act situation, and then he never Baker Acted me. Maybe that's his fault.
Off the property.
Baby,
Thank you.
please don't talk about it. Let's get off.
Do you have my phone?
I have your phone. We're getting off. Do you have an Android? No. Okay, well, it's okay. I don't need it.
Thank you again.
You're welcome.
Sorry. It's taking
The initial stop was legally grounded in Terry versus Ohio, the 1968 Supreme Court decision establishing that officers may briefly detain a person based on reasonable, articulable suspicion of criminal activity. A third-party report of screaming in a parking lot satisfies that threshold. The stop was constitutionally valid. Florida is a stop and identify state. Under Florida Statute 856.021, once an officer has founded suspicion that a crime has been, is being, or is about to be committed, a detained person must provide their name and address. Refusal to comply is not a constitutional right in this context. The subject's initial refusal to identify themselves extended and complicated an otherwise routine investigatory stop. The legal turning point arrived when officers confirmed an active trespass warning already on file for the female subject. Under Florida Statute 810.09, trespass after warning is complete. The moment a person willfully remains on property after an authorized agent has directed them to leave. No intent requirement beyond willful presence. No exception for emotional distress, grief, or ignorance. The officer communicated the updated warning clearly, covering every Flagler College property without exception. The subject verbally acknowledged the warning. That acknowledgement satisfied the knowledge element of the statute.
Turn around, put your hands behind your back.
No.
Turn around right now, put your hands behind your back.
Please,
Listen,
no,
you're not going to resist again. Turn
I
around
promise
and put
I
your
wasn't
hands
doing
behind
anything.
your back.
I need her to
Step
give
it
me.
up, please.
Please.
Turn around.
No.
You hear me?
No, I need my.
Listen.
I need a charger. Please.
Put your hands
Please
behind your
don't
back.
Please don't do that.
I'm not going to fight with you. You hear me? Turn around, put your hands behind your back.
Please don't do
Put
that.
your hands behind your back.
Please.
Put your hands
Please, I
behind your
wasn't
back.
doing anything. I wasn't doing anything.
Put your hands behind your back.
I wasn't doing
You hear me?
anything.
On the ground.
I wasn't doing anything. Please, I wasn't doing anything. Please. I can't breathe. Please. Please, I wasn't doing anything. Please.
Down, you 1046.
My life is over. My life is over.
You keep making these poor decisions.
No, I promise.
Grab that
I
side.
promise. Please,
Grab that
I
side.
wasn't doing anything. I just wanted to get a charger.
Stand up.
Please. Wait.
Yeah, bug it out.
1977.
Hey, let me pat her down.
I don't have anything, I promise. I promise. Sir, I promise. I probably...
Get in the car.
Okay, I was gonna tell you what I had in my pocket.
What?
Which was probably like a cross, which is like gold.
You lost that already, remember? Remember the whole story you saw? Turn and face that way and I'll adjust the cuffs.
Can you please just listen to this one? Please, I just want to go home. Please, I'm so sorry. I just want to go home. Oh.
I know, it's unfortunate right now. I mean, you gotta...
Can you please do it a little looser? I promise I'm not gonna do anything like stupid, like crackheads or something. Like I've seen videos. Like,
It's loose,
please.
but you just have to... the problem is you just have to turn your wrist.
I
all right?
can't. Which way? I'm sorry, I'm not laughing at you. You're trying your best. Obviously, see that. You suck
Flip your
at
wrist
it.
over. Nope, the other way. Flip it that way. There you go. That's going to be the best position for it.
Sorry.
That's going to be the best position for it.
Thank you.
Other than that, it's not going to get any... Unfortunately, they're not made for company. Just sit tight. They'll come and get you.
When officers returned and found her still on campus, probable cause for arrest was immediate and unambiguous. The subject then refused repeated commands to turn around and present her hands saying no, multiple times. Clearly, Florida Statute 843.02 criminalizes resisting an officer without violence. Florida courts have held that passive noncompliance, refusing commands, refusing to present hands, going limp, constitutes obstruction during a lawful arrest. No physical aggression is required. Refusal is enough. The arrest was lawful. The resistance was a separate, independent criminal act, not a defense. Force analysis falls under Graham versus Connor, the 1989 Supreme Court standard. Reasonableness is judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on scene, not with hindsight. The Graham three-factor test asks severity of the crime, whether the subject posed an immediate safety threat, and whether the subject was actively resisting or evading arrest. All three factors here support the force level applied. Soft, empty hand control and handcuffing for an actively non-compliant subject is proportionate and within legal parameters. The officer receives a B+. Phase 1 de-escalation was above standard, listening, accommodating a phone call, explaining the trespass scope with patience and legal completeness. The arrest was executed lawfully with proportionate force. Post-arrest conduct was composed and professional. The grade does not reach A range for two reasons. Early identification demands outpaced clearly established founded suspicion, and a gender-based remark captured on camera creates unnecessary civil liability exposure. Regardless of intent, such comments invite discrimination claims in any subsequent civil proceeding. The female subject receives a C. Sympathetic context does not alter legal obligation. Remaining on trespass property after a formal warning and verbal acknowledgement satisfies every element of Section 810.09. Resisting lawful arrest commands satisfies Section 843.02. Both charges are supported by the footage. The appropriate remedy for a disputed arrest is a courtroom not resistance on scene. The companion receives a B. His cooperation and active de-escalation efforts meaningfully prevented this encounter from escalating further. The initial refusal to identify cost him a higher grade. The key lesson here is layered. For law enforcement, de-escalation in Phase 1 preserved cooperation and created the conditions for a cleaner enforcement action in Phase 2. That discipline matters legally and tactically. For civilians, a formal trespass warning is a legal document, not a suggestion. Acknowledging it on camera eliminates any knowledge defense. And resistance during a lawful arrest, even passive, non-violent resistance, is a separate criminal charge. The time to challenge an arrest is before a judge, not in a parking lot at midnight. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Audit the Court, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.